Anyway guys, I'm back with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be doing a Forza Horizon 5 video, another ramp jumping video. I thought of this kind of today, that I would be making this video. Anyway, this is the car that I will be doing. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that because I know I'm going to mess up so badly pronouncing that. But it is an Aston Martin, and I'm having a feeling this one is going to be crazy, so I'm excited to see the results. And I do not think I've ever ramp jumped it myself off camera as well, so it will be just as much a surprise for me as it is for you guys. Anyway, here's a little 360 of the car. I accidentally got the windshield a little smashed up when I was driving it on the way to the destination where the ramp is. Whoops. Anyway, if you guys are ready, I think I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, just listen to how good that sounds. It sounds amazing. This thing is already fast. River. Oh, that was awesome. Whoa. Guys, I made it to the river. Let's go. I think that's the first time in a hot minute I have actually landed in the river on the fly in here. At least it's been a while, at least. Especially on camera. One day my goal is to still make it over the river. Think I would do that someday? Comment down below. But anyway, wow guys, that was epic. I hope you guys enjoyed this one like I did. I definitely enjoyed this one so much. This one was a fun one to make. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well. I've been on fire this month for videos, which is kind of surprising for the winter time and this time of year. But anyway, everyday Andrew out. Peace.